Today's topic is a bit serious because it's frequently asked question by all the parents. Any guesses you all? Yes, you thought it right. It's malnutrition. और मैं आसान लफ्जों में कहूँ तो ग़िज़ा की कमी। तो चलिए देखते हैं what is mean by malnutrition. When we hear malnutrition, most of the people think that it is because of no food. लेकिन इसका असल मतलब है कमज़ोर ग़िज़ा या improper diet. Or we can say that malnutrition means your body doesn't get the right type and the right amount of nutrition what it truly requires. So even if you eat every day, you can still be malnourished अगर आपके खाने में proteins, vitamins और minerals की कमी हो. Fact 1. Around 45% of child deaths worldwide are linked to malnutrition. There are two types of malnutrition, undernutrition and overnutrition. पहले हम बात करेंगे अंडर न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में. अंडर न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ एनर्जी, प्रोटीन्स, विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स इन योर चाइल्ड्स बॉडी. एंड ये जब होता है जब आपका बच्चा खाना कम खाए या उनके खाने में पोषण की कमी हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ चाइल्ड whose diet lack in nutrients and who eats processed foods a lot. Undernutrition symptoms in your child can be his underweight and undergrowth and weak or low immunity, dry skin and hair fall. तो अगली बार जब आपका बच्चा बीमार पड़े तो उसे दवाइयों की नहीं, सही न्यूट्रिशन और सही खाने की जरूरत है. फैक्ट नंबर 2. Nearly 1 out of 3 children in India suffer from some form of undernutrition. अब हम बात करेंगे ओवर न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में. ओवर न्यूट्रिशन हैपेंस व्हेन यू ईट टू मच फूड, स्पेशली जंक फूड और प्रोसेस्ड फूड्स, which gives you enough calories but no real nutrients. Example, children and teenagers who likes to eat burgers, pizza, chocolate, chips and soft drinks and avoid eating fruits and vegetables, and this all can lead them to obesity, laziness and tiredness, diabetic risk and heart and liver problem later in life. Malnutrition can be prevented with balanced diet. You don't need expensive food, just smart of combinations. A balanced diet that includes fruits and vegetables that gives you vitamins and minerals, rice, roti and millets that give you energy, milk, egg, chicken, paneer which gives you protein, lemon, amla and tomato which gives you vitamin C. Fact number 3. Overnutrition is rising fast in urban children because of overeating junk food and lack of physical activity. खाली पेट और ओवरफुल स्टमक दोनों से सेहत खराब होती है. Eating right is not a luxury, it's a necessity. So friends, malnutrition isn't about the hunger, it's about the right choices. Food is your fuel, but only the right food can build your strength and focus. Eat smart, eat colorful and stay healthy because right nutrition is the foundation of every healthy nation. And until next time, सेहतमंद रहो, खुश रहो and हर दिन न्यूट्रीपब के साथ कुछ नया सीखते रहो. Till then, take care, bye bye.